Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and let's switch first to Old Canva Video Editor. Click on your profile, your account, and scroll down to Video Editing. Click this button. Click on Canva icon to go back to home page, Video, Landscape Video. Click on the background and let's change the color to a gradient style. Let's choose this one and let's adjust the colors. Change the circular gradient style. You can switch the position of the colors. Go to text and type your text. Let's change the font to Anton. Go to text color and scroll down to this one. Click change all and let's adjust the colors. Add more white color. Make 5. Delete this gray. Change to the second style. Click on the first one on the right. Decrease the transparency to 0. Make the same for the second one and make 50 in the third one. Click change all and let's place the text like this. Duplicate, type another one, duplicate, and let's make the third one. Select all. Let's decrease the size like this and let's make a space between all of them. Select all and group and increase the size. Let's make it like this. Drag it down, keep just this transparent part. And now let's use any image. Let's use this one. Remove the background and go to apps, image blender. Choose this app, fade linear, and let's adjust the fading option. Decrease the strength and click save. And let's place this image in the right side and make the same for the rest of the images. Place it in the right side as well. Click on the third one, fade linear, and let's adjust the fading like this. Click save and place it on the right side as well. And when you finish, go to this images, layer, show layers, place the text in the bottom and make the images in the top. Duplicate this page, click on the second page and change the style of the gradient. Make circular gradient as well and drag this text to the middle. Go to layers, show layers, and drag the next image. You can adjust the size of the image like this. Duplicate. Let's decrease the size and drag it to the left and drag the text to the top. Place the second text in the middle and choose the second image and drag it to the center. You can adjust the size. Click on the background and let's change the style of the colors. Choose circular gradient. Let's switch the position. Duplicate decrease the size, drag it to the left, and drag the text to the top. Place this text in the center and drag the last image. Increase the size, and let's change the colors as well. Go to colors, circular gradient style, and now add transition, match and move, increase the duration, and click apply between all pages. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.